This course is brought to you by AppyPie as part of our Academy series.
Hello and welcome to this section number 2. In this section, I am going to talk about what growth hacking is all about and what are the different stages of growth hacking. Now, in way back 2010, Sean Ellis has actually coined this term called growth hackers or growth hacking. And he made a statement saying that growth hackers' growth is true north. That means it does not matter where the growth comes from, as long as it comes, it is okay. Growth hacking is a rapid experimentation of your full customer journey, which increases customer and revenue growth. Growth hacking is data driven, it is analytical, experimentation, and A B testing all the way throughout till you reach the highest optimization of your business. Now, let me warn you that it is not an overnight scheme. So it is not going to give you results just right the next day. You have to keep on working and you need to identify some of the hacks for your business which are going to work and using maybe different tools of growth hacking and keep on implementing them till the stage you reach scalability. For example, if you have customer list of let's say 100 people in 1 year and you want to take them to 1,000 or millions for that matter, that is where growth hacking techniques or tools will come into picture. Now they have different stages of growth hacking. There are 5 stages of lean marketing funnel, which is related to growth hacking. The very first one is acquisition. Acquisition is where, for example, if someone or any individual comes from any of the outside sources and lands up on your landing page on your website, that is called acquisition. Now, it can be from any social media, it can be from blog, it can be from YouTube video, but any third party outside sources, they land up onto your landing page is called acquisition, which is the first stage of lead marketing funnel. The second stage is activation. That means if when I come to your website as a subscriber or to be subscriber, I fill up a sign up form on your landing page and then I go into your customer list or a lead list. This is the stage which is called as activation. The third stage is the retention. That means when I get into your subscribers list and you send them in series of emails or daily digest or weekly newsletters and I receive them, that means that is the stage of retention. So you're trying to retain me by giving the updates about the product or services you are selling. The fourth stage is obviously the most important, which is revenue. Revenue is where when I read the messages or your newsletter and I see the products, which obviously I am interested in, that is why I have landed up on your landing page initially, then I go ahead and buy that product or services. That is the stage of revenue growth. The last is the referral, which is when I use the product, I go and talk about the product to my friends and families and refer other people and talk about how good this product is all about. That is a referral stage. So this constitute all of those 5 stages of growth hacking. And I'm going to talk about each of these stages individually. And I'm going to reveal some of the very highly effective tools of each stage in the upcoming video after this video once it is over. So stay tuned. I will see you inside in the next video. Till then, bye for now. Take care.